Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly what it's going to sound like if you have bad bearings in your convection oven motor, okay? And this applies to not only convection ovens, but really any piece of restaurant equipment that uses a main blower motor like this one. So we're going to turn this on right now and listen to what it sounds like. So if your motor sounds like that, chances are that your bearings are bad. I hope this video helped you out. We'd like to hear what problems you've had with your equipment, so comment below to let us know. Also, we're always uploading videos to our channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.